Hey guys, here we are again in the most expensive street of Europe, and today we have a very special car, a very good looking timeless car, which is from 2016, but the looks does not look that old. And we are going to walk around this car. Here we are with the McLaren 570S, and guys, today this street is insanely crowded, so there is not much room for me to move because this is the Milano Fashion Week, and it's very crowded, very crowded. I will show you a little bit of the street here so you can have some idea what I mean. So okay, back to the car. This car, guys, is from 2015-16, so it's about 7 to 8 years old. But look at the design of this car. This is called timeless. It can never get old. This car is insanely designed. This is the definition of perfect design. This guy here is the 570S Spider, as you can understand from the styling of the roof. And here in the back we have the 3.8 liter twin turbo V8, which makes 570 horsepower and 600 newton meters of torque. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 3 seconds, and the top speed is more than 200 miles per hour. The styling of McLaren has changed so much in the new cars. When you look at the back of this car, you can realize that the new ones are changed drastically. You can see that in the new McLarens we have the exhaust pipes up above there underneath the spoiler, but here we can appreciate some old school McLaren's styling with the exhaust pipes that are over there. So this car can tell us how McLaren has evolved in these times from 2016 up until now. Here we have some MSO styling features like this beautiful carbon fiber spoiler in the back. This is so beautiful. And we have these matte rims combined with the yellow brake calipers, which look so much more sporty, that are covering the carbon ceramic brake system. I really love the styling of this car. This is the era that the teardrop style got the most amount of recognition from the petrol head guys. And what's cool about the design of this car is the door panels. You can see that we have two different parts here, one up here and the second part is down there, and it makes a hole on the actual door panel, which is very interesting. And those two panels create this air channel that is starting from up above the wheels and goes to the air vent that cools the engine. This was the entry-level McLaren, but as for an entry level, it was, the pricing was around $190,000. So as a car to be considered the Cayman of McLaren, it was really expensive. But for a entry-level car, it has supercar level performances. And the other thing is that the front wipers they are very interesting, because the wiper on the driver's side is actually super long, as you can see, until there, but on the passenger side is very relatively smaller than the one on the driver's side, which is that one. But it's very interesting. Let's take a look at the details in the lighting, which are very nice. We can see these crystal designs here. But my favorite part about this car is here in the back. The Spider version looks so beautiful here in the back. It's very beautiful, and I love this engine bay air vent, which maybe we can make a word for it sometime later. And you can get a little bit of sneak peek to the engine, which is actually a cool feature. I really love this car. These McLarens are never getting old. Never getting old. Alright guys, that was for the McLaren 570S. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next time. Bye bye.